Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to factory reset the Blink camera. So in order to factory reset it, we first need to find the reset button. So the Blink Mini has a reset button on the bottom side of the camera. You can also view it in this image as well. So this reset button can be used when you add your Mini to a new or the existing Blink system, or when you move your Mini to a new location or Wi-Fi network. So a red light on the Mini indicates that the camera is not connected to the internet. So if your Wi-Fi router is functioning properly, then connect to the Wi-Fi network. You just have to simply press and hold the reset button, and after that you just have to wait for 5 seconds, and this way you will be able to see the solid red light, and this way you can reset your camera and you can enter the into the setup mode. So basically this way you will be able to reset your Blink camera. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.